Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 530 model. It's in excellent condition, it works great, and the battery lasts about 48 minutes with hardwood and carpet mix. So basically, if you have just hardwood floors, it will last longer. So I'll quickly show you what I got here. So I got a brand new filter, a virtual wall. It does require two D-size batteries. You get the power adapter charger right here. It's also in great shape. The docking station. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures, and if you have questions, please let me know. It's also in great shape. So this Roomba is the 530 is used, but excellent condition here. So it's very clean. There's hardly any noticeable things on it that you can tell it's used. So like I said, you can take a look at the pictures. There's a little more detail there. Alright, so I'll flip it over. So again, the battery lasts for 48 minutes, carpet and hardwood floor mix. So here we got the side brush. It's in excellent shape. The front wheel is almost new. There's a model number. And I'll remove the dustbin here. So everything has been cleaned and disinfected with Clorox wipes. So you get nice clean Roomba here. So the brushes have been cleaned out, everything has been cleaned. The gearbox and the clean head module has been cleaned and relubed, so you get long life out of this Roomba. Alright, now I'll show you guys how it works. Alright, so I'll show it as a straight run. Basically, everything has been checked and tested, make sure everything works. So I'll do a straight run to show you guys the bumper sensors work fine. Alright. So there you go. Everything works perfectly. And thanks for watching. Happy bidding.